Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my craft room. And right now I am working with some essential oils. I've actually been busy in here today. I've already made a couple of videos, but then I decided I needed to make some bug spray to go out. It's just garden spray. It's not just bug spray. I did a video on human bug spray, but this is garden spray to keep little bugs off of your vegetable garden or your flowers or your houseplants or anything. And it's super easy. I almost feel like this video is a cheater because it's like so easy. There's like two ingredients. One of them is water. So I have water. And the other one is lemongrass essential oils. This lemongrass essential oil, I get every month. I have a subscription to a company. It's called Simply Earth, and every month you get 4 oils and some recipes and all the equipment you need to make the recipes, which is awesome. All the little ingredients that you need. But I've used essential oils for years and years. Years ago, I actually was I did massage therapy and stuff. So I did a lot of aromatherapy and different types of oils. I used in different massage oils and things for different reasons. So I've used them for years. But I like this because I don't have to think about it. Every month I get new oils. They're very good oils, and I like to use them. So this month they came out with the garden spray and made me remember that lemongrass is amazing for a garden spray. So this recipe this month is for a 2-ounce bottle, but I am going to use a 4-ounce bottle that I have already filled this 4-ounce bottle with distilled water. And the reason I already filled it is because that was really hard to fill it and I didn't want to spill it. So basically you have a 4-ounce bottle, you have lemongrass essential oils, and you always want to make sure that your oils are pure. And these are phenomenal. This lemongrass is awesome. And I'm going to, in this bottle, I'm going to put 4 or 5 drops. 1, 2, 5. 1 for good measure. That's all it takes. 5 drops of lemongrass essential oils in a 4-ounce spray bottle. Mix it up really good so that it's mixed really well. And then all you do, I'm going to go out and I'm going to water my garden. And then take this and look over my plants. And then you just spray. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like lemongrass. But of course it would. It's lemongrass essential oil. I'm going to label it, and I'm going to keep it so that I can go out there and every maybe every 3 to 5 days, I think, I'll just double check and make sure that I spray it with this to help keep all those nasty little things off of that hard work that you put into your vegetable garden. And I'm going to put it in my little mini greenhouse. I'm going to spray those plants because I want my garden to be successful and not get eaten up by plants. I want to eat it up. I don't want the bugs to eat it up. So I'm going to spray it with some of this lemongrass garden spray. And ooh, I've got some floating candle wicks on sale, on order. They should be here Thursday, I think. And when they come, I'm going to make citronella floating candles with those. So I'll definitely do a video of that too. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little quick easy tip to use some lemongrass essential oils to make a good garden spray. If you did, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love it if you do that. And make sure you leave a comment. I appreciate those too. So thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.